Want more sales on TikTok? Mastering the seller marketing page is where it all starts. I'll give you an overview in today's video. So you can see this is a hiccup straw. It stops hiccups. And what they did is they gave away tons of their product on TikTok for affiliates. And this one, some of them get a small amount of views or likes. Some of them get a ton. The ones that get a ton, the best part is you can remarket their videos. That's how TikTok works. So this video is already doing super good. It's got tons of likes, tons of comments. And then what you can do is remarket this video to not only get you more sales on TikTok, but some people don't like TikTok, so they'll go to Amazon and also purchase the product. So it's a double whammy, and you know this video is already getting a lot of views and a lot of likes. So what you're gonna do is go into your marketing tab, right? And you're gonna go to shop ads. So if you already know the affiliate tab, I'm gonna do that in another video. The affiliate tab is where you give away free product. So that's exactly what Hickaway did, is they gave away free product. And then once you give away free product, it automatically, TikTok tracks who you give it to. And then it connects to your account so you can run an ad. And now we can run an ad of this exact video. So what you can do is click create GMV max ads and then promote that video. So we can do products. It depends what products you want to promote, your daily budget, add creative, right? So let's just see. So you can do manage creatives, and then here it is. It says affiliate posts. So here he goes. Affiliate posts are TikTok posts created by affiliates and authorized for use in TikTok shop ads, right? So most of the time it is automatically authorized, but you can message the affiliate, but it's pretty much when they accept it, it's going to automatically be authorized. And you can see we already got, for this client, we specifically already have 3 videos from affiliates. So we can pick one of them and then automatically run ads. And it's going to be the same exact one. So it's going to be the same exact one. It's just going to show as an ad. And that's going to get a lot more views, a lot more clicks, right? So instead of 32,000, potentially an extra 30,000 likes, which could be huge and make a big difference, especially if they did all the hard work. So that's how you can get pretty much free content and then remarket the content, right? So that's going to be one of the biggest and best ways. Of course, you can create your own video, right? But why not use a video that already works? One that already has 32,000 likes, 313 comments, 2,000 bookmarks. I had hiccups 2 days once. So again, that's what the marketing tab really comes through. Let's go back to that tab. And then you create your own campaign. Okay, so that's going to be the shop ads. That's how I recommend you do it. You give away through the affiliate tab. And there's also promotions that you can do. So if we go to the promotions tab, you can run different promotions. So like free shipping, you're going to click create a promotion. And then you're going to see all of these different promotions that you can run. Recommend promotion configurations. These are just recommended. You can try them out. Free vouchers. These are pretty much discounts. So they're like coupons that show up on your product. So if you join this task and you create one free flash deal, TikTok's going to give you $4 off to your customers. So TikTok's taking that hit. You're not actually giving $4 off. TikTok's eating that $4 off, but it's getting more customers because then you have a better price compared to your other platforms, right? Pretty much no other platform does this where they give you like vouchers. So this is huge. And you can see how it looks. Claim, so they can claim it. Now you can do price reduction, a flash sale, a product discount, early access deal, customer incentives, send a one-time coupon to users who follow your live or shop, buy more, save more, coupon, gift with purchased, free shipping promotion, chat option, okay, promo code. There's so many different ones. Live, creator. Obviously, the basics are going to be trying to get as much vouchers as possible because the lower your product's costs, the more people are going to want to buy, and it's practically free. So you can't beat that. And then the other ones are going to be flash sales and product discounts. Those are going to be the other 2 best promotions to run. The other ones are just going to be kind of follow-up coupons, and you want to just have this ready to go and maybe have it do it once a month and just have a reminder set to follow up. Now we also have shop design. This one's a little bit newer, so you can have your own shop design that promotes your products. You can see it right here. So we want to optimize this just so when people click on your shop, it looks legit, everything looks good. And then of course, when you do run your ads, right, your shop ads, I showed you how to do that. You want to manage your campaign. So you can manage your campaigns here and just see how everything's doing. And then you can also register for different campaigns. Let's see. Deals for you days. So 15 to 25% off coupons on registered products. 20% off coupons are, again, these are incentives that TikTok's going to be allowing you to do. You enroll in them, and in you can see all your campaigns here. So you got campaigns here, then you have your products, and then live and video. And then TikTok funded program is something that you may have access to. Grow your business with funded programs. So pretty much a lot of this is just funding by TikTok. So if there are vouchers or fully funded programs, join programs where TikTok will 100% cover your marketing costs. So again, this is something that's a huge opportunity. So definitely check back here to see what programs. So pretty much TikTok just wants you to generate sales and is willing to give tons of coupons to you and your customers for free to help you generate sales. All you have to do is just make sure that you're utilizing the platform properly. In order to utilize the platform properly, what most people do is they're giving away free product to a targeted group of people that actually could utilize the product, aka so this woman, she does a really good job. They gave it away, and then you'll get somebody who usually will get tons of views. So we can see they gave this away, and then what they can do is remarket this video. And then once they start getting traction on TikTok, what they can do is start running more promotions, get all these vouchers, get in front of more people, and then sales will start to climb, momentum will grow, and all you have to do is stay in stock. So it's a 1, 2, 3. It takes time, but right now there's not too many competitors. So I highly recommend getting on TikTok. That's it for today's video. If you want more TikTok videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a TikTok seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your TikTok journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on TikTok, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.